cannot believe that I knew almost every single song in that light-hearted animation. You know the one where animals croon and dance and hope? I sang along, laughing at the lyrics. But beneath the catchy tunes, I heard something deeper, life lessons hidden in harmony, echoing the questions we all hum under our breath. How do I rise when life knocks me down? You ever ask yourself that? When your back's against the wall, when the ceiling becomes the floor, and gravity ain't just physical, it is emotional, spiritual, metaphysical. When you hit rock bottom, the only way is up. Honestly, I laughed when I heard this because Mr. Moon was literally at the bottom. Small koala, big dreams, washed up, broken down, scrubbing cars with the same hands that once built theaters. But rock bottom has a view, and it's always up. See? Life will sometimes strip you down to the studs, leave you bare, but bare is where rebuilding begins. I've seen folks lose jobs and pick up side gigs delivering food. Pride on pause, dignity in motion, because survival is sacred work. It's like when your rent due and your dream job costed you. So you pick up shifts, mop floors, file resumes in between microwave dinners. That's courage. That's climbing. We look up to God, to mentors, to parents who held it down when we didn't even know what was up. Rock bottom isn't the end. It's the launch pad. Where there's a will, there's a way. Rosita and her piglets. 25 piglets. I'm not kidding. And it's not a metaphor. 25. Like 25 children. And still, she danced. She sang. She built a pulley system for daily routines. Automation meets aspiration. I listened to Steve Bartlett's in BBC Maestro course. I did his 24-hour day breakdown. I thought I was exhausted. Turns out, I was just mismanaged. 4 hours resting after work turned into 30 minutes workout, 1 hour writing, time to cook meals that loved me back. We all got time. We just gotta claim it. You have a dream? Build a schedule that honors it. Time is your tool, not your enemy. Opportunities come dressed as work. Let's talk about Mina, sweet little elephant Mina. She was shy, too scared to sing, so she carried cables, set up lights, stayed backstage. But when the moment cracked open, she was there. Prepared, present. No audition needed. She just sang, and the room fell silent. You might be in a job you hate, doing the grind, feeling unseen, but maybe you're just backstage before you go solo. Sometimes God hides gifts in hard places, wraps blessings in boiler suits. Don't sleep on the hustle. Show up. Say yes. Scared? So what? Eleanor Roosevelt said, do one thing every day that scares you. Courage is not loud. It's steady, like breath before a song. So how do we rise when life knocks us down? We look up. We shift our hours. We sing when no one's listening. We hustle, we dream, we dare. Because courage is not the absence of fear, it's resistance to it. It's waking up one more time, brushing off rock bottom dust and saying, I'm not done yet.